Another innovative product from D. Berry & Co. Once the support framework is assembled, fit the Easy Riser bracket to the uprights, ensuring that the locating tags are facing inwards. Fit the 2 nylon retaining clips to the allocated holes on top of the Easy Riser bracket, ensuring that the mouth of the clip faces outwards. Lift the uprights and Easy Riser bracket into the vertical position and then lower the bottom of the uprights into the upright support sections, ensuring that the uprights drop in as far as the unit will allow before tightening. Fit the cross member into position and bolt together loosely. Once the framework is in position, the Easy Riser can be installed. The Easy Riser unit and components are supplied in a self-contained box, complete with fitting instructions and a C-spanner. Starting with the 2-inch galvanised riser, the threads should be checked for damage or dirt, cleaned if necessary, and an approved sealant applied to the threads. The unique Berry's Easy Riser knuckle joint is then screwed on the end of the riser and made tight with the aid of the supplied C-spanner. The handle locking mechanism is slipped onto the 2-inch riser before screwing the riser to the manifold. This is a common mistake in not fitting this component at this stage and leads to having to break down the complete system when the mistake is realised, normally at the end of the install. Sealant is then applied and the riser is screwed into the vent manifold exhaust port. The 2-inch riser must be tightened so the knuckle joint faces the direction that will be required when it is lowered from the operation position to the maintenance position. The norm is at 90 degrees to the vent stack, but the joint can be positioned at any angle between 90 and 0 degrees, dependent on the site-specific requirements. When the riser is in the required position, use the U-bolt supplied to secure the riser to the cross member. Take a measurement of 650 mm from the bottom of the 2-inch aluminium tube and make a mark. Fit the stainless steel tube clamps at this position and make tight by means of the M10 bolt nuts and washer supplied. Fit the female swivel fitting to the end of the 32mm aluminium handle and tighten with an Allen key. Remove the quick release bayonet fitting from the pre-vac valve and fit to the anodized fitting at the top of the 2-inch alley tube. Once the 2-inch aluminium riser is assembled, it can be secured to the knuckle joint. At this stage, the knuckle joint and riser should be in the horizontal position. At this point, the female swivel assembly on the handle needs to marry up with the stainless steel tube clamp on the main riser tube. Important to note that nylock nuts are used and that the swivel assemblies should not be tightened up completely, as this will affect the swivel action. The pre-vac valve can now be fitted to the end of the riser. The locking catch is slipped onto the handle and fitted to align with the handle locking mechanism Once the locking catch is fitted, the red plastic handle is fitted and the unit can be lifted into the operating position, ensuring the riser locates into the black nylon clip. The rubber bellows can now be lowered over the knuckle joint and positioned in place by means of Jubilee clips. Once the bellows have been positioned, the two locking mechanisms can be given final adjustments to ensure correct alignment. Repeat previous steps if second Easy Riser unit is to be fitted. Finally, when happy that all is secure, lock the handle using the supplied padlock and leave keys with the on-site personnel. In line with working at heights regulation, the Easy Riser offers a safe working environment that reflects Berry's ongoing commitment to product development and value engineering for the petroleum industry.